Your network gives you a powerful source of visibility into cyber risks across your organization. Ransomware, nation-state attacks, insider threats, software vulnerabilities, unmanaged devices, insecure protocols, and more. The network sees everything, shows everything, and maintains a record of every place attackers try to hide. If you're not tapping into your network traffic, your security teams may not have a complete view of your environment, and you are stuck reacting to alerts and piecing together incidents while threats slip past you. But things can be different. ExtraHop RevealX is the only network detection and response platform that delivers the visibility organizations need to reveal cyber risk and build resilience. This visibility extends across the entire hybrid attack surface, from on-premise to multi-cloud to distributed workforces and operations. When organizations have full network transparency with ExtraHop, security teams can investigate smarter, stop threats faster, and move at the speed of risk. RevealX analyzes the network traffic running through your environments, giving you real-time insights into threats and eliminating visibility blind spots. It automatically discovers, inventories, and classifies assets and devices on the network, so you'll always have access to key information, from the data center to the cloud and at the edge. With just a few clicks, analysts have details down to the device or asset level, showing what software it's running, what else it communicates with, if it's properly configured, and more. Network and perimeter mapping make it easy to understand what's happening within the context of a given device or specific threat, and helps analysts better understand how an attack is evolving. The visualizations are live, showing the real-time flow of communications across your network, including details like which encryption protocols are being used. And RevealX can also decrypt that traffic in real time, with support for more than 70 different protocols, helping you uncover hidden or advanced threats faster. Our platform uses over 1 million predictive models to assess thousands of unique signatures, spotting anomalous and suspicious behaviors that other tools miss completely. The platform also delivers up-to-the-minute threat briefings, so users have more context about the alerts that make it to their queue, even the latest CVEs. And with integrated threat intelligence, analysts can pivot from general threat information to contextual, actionable alerts in just a few clicks. Broad-spectrum detections across behavioral, rule-based, and IOC-based signatures keep security teams informed about the full course of the incident, the list of offenders, and subsequent victims, along with the ability to investigate the entire attack chain down to the record and packet level. Users have immediate access to these network packets and records associated with the detection, so they can understand precisely what happened and when. And they can access integrated MITRE attack maps, with external links to documentation to help research the attack, discover related incidents from across the network, and quickly determine the appropriate path of action. RevealX is specifically designed to support threat hunters with a streamlined UI built around investigative workflows that can quickly transition from viewing high-level alerts and detections to drill into events across the attack chain, over to details about the offender and the victim, and down into packet details, before moving on to forensic-level analysis, all within a few clicks of the same console. After investigating, users can quickly pivot to response, with a broad set of native integrations across other security tools. With an open API, RevealX integrates threat telemetry or response actions from nearly any enterprise provider, including EDR, XDR, orchestration and automation tools, log collectors and data lakes, even project management tools. For example, an analyst could receive a detection, explore the associated offender and victim, then quickly isolate and quarantine a device in CrowdStrike Falcon, all from the RevealX console. ExtraHop RevealX is the industry's only network detection and response platform that delivers the unparalleled visibility and decryption capabilities, so you can move at the speed of risk. See it for yourself. Start your own self-guided demo now.